Today's video, the Byrds. Turn, turn, turn. Because there is a time to every purpose under heaven. Now, a friend of mine, she is a Presbyterian pastor. And she preaches in a church, just, like normal pastors do. But she also has this daily video. And it's called Geeks of Faith. It's for people who feel like they don't really fit into a church. They're more the science fiction type people. And she knows them very well because she's very into science fiction movies like, Star Wars. And she gears the sermon to current events in the Bible and tweaks it with references to that genre. She's serving the people that no one else wanted to take care of. For me, I serve the people who are also lost. My job isn't to treat them. My job is to just inspire them and clear the way for them to get to the healers. Now, if you're like that and you're doing what you feel like you were put on this earth to do, take comfort in those who came before you. Think about John the Baptist. His job was not to be Jesus. His job was to clear the way for Jesus to come. The healer. A lot of times, that's just our job, is to clear the way for other people to get the help that they need, to inspire them to at least look for it. Now, no, we're not going to be superstars. We're not going to get accolades. Most people are not even going to know who the hell we are. But our job is just as important anyway. Now, keep in mind something else. Jesus sent out 12 disciples, but he also sent out 72 others. No one knows who they are, but they cleared the way for the multitudes to meet the healer and to hear about him and to know about his love and that God loved them too. So if you are struggling because you see this one or that one getting so far ahead and gaining popularity and, getting all kinds of money, don't worry about it. Do what you were sent here to do and take comfort in knowing that our purpose is always the same, even though the time changes. I went from working with veterans and families to working with first responders, veterans and families. And then when the pandemic hit, I started working with everyone dealing with PTSD. My purpose is still the same. Is to clear the way for other people to get the help that they need from the healers. So, take comfort in that. Enjoy the video. And find out what purpose you have on this earth in this time. And go for it. And you will be filled with peace. Remember, it's your life. Get in and drive it. See you next time.